Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $82.53. And if you look at this particular chart, probability of going further high we can see because there is a continuous upside we have seen since 6 weeks. Okay, after making a low of around $64, we have seen there is a swing has formed and that is where it is moving upside. Okay, so chances can be high, it can go further high, but if you look at this particular zone, it has to sustain above a level of $85.5, then only we can see it will go further high. And I've already explained you that if the price sustain above 77, chances of touching 85.5 was on a higher side, and if it sustain above that level, a further upside we can see. Okay, why? Because 85.5 is a strong resistance and $77 is a strong support. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, after pandemic there is a pattern forming which I've explained you in my most of the videos, that whenever it is hitting its previous high, a fall has come, okay, and making a new high, a swing form, that is where it goes upside. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, for the 5th time it formed a swing, but for the 6th time it didn't sustain because of the war situation was there. That is where the most of the energy stocks went down. Okay, and if you look at this crude also, natural gas also, it went down. Now till now also they have not sustained. Okay, but if it sustain above a level of $95, chances of going further upside we can see. So if it sustain above that level, 82.52 is trading at. Now if sustain, we can see a level of 85.5, but if the price sustain above that level, then we can see a level of 88.67 to a level of $90. And once started sustaining above $90, probability of touching a level of $92.8 is there. That is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will touch a level of $95.6. okay, and once the price sustain above $95.6, then we can see it will touch a level of around $99.7, and from there a probability of going further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. Now once the price sustain above 99, a probability of going above 100 we can see to a level of 108. But understand, market is always uncertain. If you're thinking that the market will go in one direction, as per you, no, it will not. Okay, you can see the trend, but always set your SL as well as your trailing SL. That will save your profit as well as your capital. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, then a probability of touching 80.39 we can see, and if it moves below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of 79.34. And once the price fall below a level of 79.34, then chances of touching $77 we can see. Okay, now once the price fall below $77, 77.26, a further down we can see, because the next support after 77 we can see a strong support is 68. So after 77.26 we can see a level of $74.28, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 72.28 is there. Okay, now if the price fall below 72.28, we can see a level of $68.12, and if the price fall below that particular level, then chances of touching 66.46 is there, because 68 is again a strong support. So if it fall below that level, a probability of going further down we can see, and a probability of touching 66.48 will be there. Okay, so keep that in mind. As soon as it started falling below 66, the probability of going further down we can see, and $85.5 is a strong resistance. Okay, so if the price sustain above that level, a further upside we can see, but if it fall below that level, a chance of touching 77 we can see, and if it fall below that level, a probability of going towards 68 will be there. So keep that in mind, that if the price fall below 68, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So always try to set your SL, always try to trail your SL. It will save a profit as well as your capital. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.